is how to work out your monthly budget when you are moving to Thailand and how much you will be spending from month to month. We have already put in all of the items that we can think of that would make up part of your budget. So how it works is you come across, you can select 2-bedroom condo in Bangkok, payment is for monthly, and you can select one. You can then do that for all of the items that are on our list. We have put it in multiple currencies, including USD and GBP. And at the end, after you've completed it, you will have a total of your spending. You can then come across to this tab in personal finances. You can input your monthly income, let's say 5,000 USD, and it will then give you your total monthly cost and any remaining or shortfall options that you have. All of this is private and only visible by you, as you will come over here and make your own copy before doing any of this.